Hello, it's Good Friday, and thank you for joining us once again on the 3-day weather forecast. Friday is expected to be sunny over the northern parts of the country, partly cloudy as we move towards the central parts, with prospects for thunderstorms around the inland cities of the southeast down to the coast. Our temperatures are expected to be highest during the day over the northeastern parts of the country and also the northwestern parts of the country at 42 degrees Celsius. Other places around the north are expected to see values between 40 and 41 degrees Celsius. Temperatures over the south are, however, expected to be lower, and the lowest temperatures are expected to be 32 degrees Celsius over the southeastern inland, while other places in the south are expected to see daytime highs between 33 degrees Celsius and 38 degrees Celsius. For our air quality forecast, we expect the north to be unhealthy over the places that appear in red and unhealthy for sensitive groups in places that appear in orange, while places that appear in yellow are expected to have a moderate air quality index, which poses no serious hazard to the health of persons living around these areas. By Saturday, we still expect the north to be sunny in most parts and partly cloudy towards the central parts, with chances of thunderstorms around the southeastern inland areas and also the coastal areas. Our maximum and minimum temperature forecast for this day is expected to remain the highest at 42 degrees Celsius over the northeastern parts of the country, while temperatures over the northwest are expected to drop slightly to 41 degrees Celsius. We expect the lowest temperature on this day over the south to be 33 degrees Celsius in Imo State, while other places are expected to see values between 33 degrees Celsius and 37 degrees Celsius. For our air quality forecast on this day, we still expect most places that appear in yellow to have a moderate air quality index, which poses no serious threat to the health of persons living around these areas, while places that appear in red are expected to have air quality that is considered unhealthy for most persons and unhealthy for only sensitive group of persons in places that appear in orange. By the next day, which is Sunday, we still expect the north to be sunny, but prospects for thunderstorms have moved further inland up to places around Nasarawa and the FCT Abuja, while places around Kwara and Niger State are still expected to be partly cloudy. We also expect thunderstorms to affect the inland cities down to the coastal areas. And our maximum temperature forecast is expected to drop slightly over the northeastern parts of the country, where we expect to see values of 39 degrees Celsius around Maiduguri and also 41 degrees Celsius in parts of Taraba and Adamawa State. We expect places around Sokoto and also part of Birnin Kebbi to see values between 40 and 41 degrees Celsius, while the lowest temperatures are expected in Imo State, where values are expected to be 32 degrees Celsius during the day and 25 degrees Celsius at night. For our air quality forecast on this day, we still expect most part of the south and part of the central parts of the country to have moderate index, while places that appear in red are expected to have air quality that is unhealthy for most persons living around these areas and unhealthy for only sensitive group of persons in parts of Borno State and also in parts of the FCT, Nasarawa, Kaduna, and also Katsina State. We also expect parts of Sokoto and Kebbi State to also have air quality that is considered unhealthy for sensitive group of persons. This is where we conclude our 3-day weather forecast for today. Thanks for watching and see you again. I remain Paul Ugbah.